Hello and welcome to Session 9. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how Allied Video Services can help your company achieve its goals. Now, Allied Video Services has just celebrated its 25th year in business, and it's been quite a ride. We have watched video go from an interesting idea to the powerhouse that it is today. And we've worked with companies of all sizes across the United States, and our videos are being used by companies all over the world. Now, we realize that we're not the only game in town, and I'd like to tell you why Allied Video Services is the right company for you to contact. We realize that most of you have not produced a video before, and many of you have no experience in using video as a lead generation tool on the web. That's where we can help. Our producers can discuss your goals and suggest a plan of action. We can then work closely with you every step of the way. We realize that every client is unique, and that's why all of our products are custom designed. It allows us to fit each video to that company's needs. To do this, we listen as you tell us what you want to accomplish and who your target audience is. We realize that it's important for both of us to be on the same page throughout the project. This shared vision allows us to get a result that is both pleasing, on budget, and effective. At Allied Video Services, our tagline is, "Your message delivered." That's because we create videos to present a professional image, hold attention, and get your message across. We know that results are the key, and to get them, the video needs to hit the mark and hit it consistently. As we have discussed, the internet is a real player in today's marketing strategies. That's why from landing pages and video business cards to hosting and full website design, our team can create products for your company that are eye-catching and cost-effective. Allied Video has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and is a founding member of Video Masters Incorporated. You can trust us to take your project from concept to implementation.
Hello, my name is Monique Bass and I'm the Director of Communications for the City of Portsmouth. I started working with Allied Video early in the year of 2008. We had our annual State of the City address to do, and I really wanted it to be a top quality project because I was new to the position and really wanted to put my best foot forward, and Allied came very highly recommended. The State of the City video presentation it's like the City of Portsmouth's annual report card. It's a very important project. And so I got Allied to work with me because I wanted a high quality, just really great product that we could show to all of the Hampton Roads area. Allied assisted me with going out and getting footage when necessary. They did a wonderful job on the editing. They were really a great company to work with because at several times I had to call them and say there's some changes that need to be made, or we need to add this footage or delete that, or can we possibly make some sort of variation. Gary was a great guy to work with. He was very accommodating, very patient. I probably called him several times and needed him to change things at the last minute. And they were always accommodating, and it really felt like it was a team effort. Our State of the City address was broadcast to all of the Hampton Roads community that was invited to Portsmouth. We have a government access channel, and we use several video presentations that we air on our channel. I'm actually looking forward to working with Allied and doing some future projects and helping us with creating new openings and closings for some of our programming and some special sort of end drops into our Channel 48 programming and promotional aspects. The final product that I received from Allied was beyond my expectations. It was a very clear, very high quality video with great graphics, and really a lot of creativity and time was put into it. Everyone enjoyed it and loved it, and actually our city was the talk of the event in terms of having one of the best presentations. I would definitely recommend Allied Video for any municipality or company that's looking to get a very affordable but high quality project done with great people in a reasonable period of time.
Yeah, my name's Keith Roberts. I'm the Director of Training and Customer Relations with Cisco Hampton Roads. I've been with them for about 11 years. About probably 5.5 years ago, I had the opportunity to put forth a message to a lot of different people and a lot of different audiences, and I needed to go with video. So I was recommended through actually a coworker, Sharon Stevens, our Vice President of Human Resources, and that's where Rory and I really started our first project together. Well, as Director of Training, I tend to use video in really a number of different formats, whether I'm carrying a message to our sales team, operations, whatever the case may be. It's just one of 7 different platforms I use throughout my many training programs, and it really is one of the most effective that we've been able to carry a number of different messages to a lot of different audiences. Really helps us out in a number of ways. Well, I'll tell you, this has really been one of my first experiences to have a long-term relationship and from business relationship with any video photographer out there. From day one, working with Rory and his team, they've been nothing but professional. They've really helped me out since it was kind of a new thing for me to get into as well. So the creativity, no question, definitely bringing that to the table. All the support I could really possibly ask for in starting to get into this. And I think just over the 6 years, it's just gotten stronger and stronger, where we have been able to get into other departments and really make use of video as a solid and legitimate training format for our entire team. Every time when I think the real joy of working with it is when you see the finished product, and not so much just the own gratification that I get out of working and putting these things together, but to really see the reaction of the audience and to understand that they truly get the message, whether it be motivational, technical, whatever the case may be, that it's worked and they're walking away with the message that they need to understand. I think if anyone else were really to go out and consider the possibilities of using video, I would highly recommend it. Again, as Director of Training, you need all the tools, all the tricks that you can possibly have in your arsenal to make sure that you're keeping your training progressive, innovative, and certainly, again, creative. And that's really about getting adults to learn. I would highly recommend using video in any number of departments for any organization out there. When working with Allied, and I think looking at really some of the best creativity where we've gotten is the ability to use the virtual sets that they have available for us to use. It's allowed us with a number of our video features, especially one that we did called Imagine, a phenomenal event where we could actually carry the message. We had a narrator in front of the screen, but we were able to show images of our entire operation as it relates to our customer menu consultation room, our demo show kitchen. So it really gave our customers a feel of what could happen, not just a verbal sense, but a true package where they could see the whole experience that they were going to take on. And it really helps out being virtual because you can really set up in a very small space. It definitely drops our cost and helps keep the video a lot more affordable when you're looking at overall long-term return on assets and return on investment. Definitely the virtual set is a great way to go. I can't wait to try and do some new stuff with the new blue and green screen that they have. One of the other projects that we did using the virtual sets is it was a testimonial video where we actually had to go on location and shoot 10 different interviews, but we actually wanted the image of our warehouse in the background. And it was truly neat to see the entire process from start to finish to being on location, shooting the images, and then actually see them dropped in on any scene that we wanted. In this case, it was our warehouse, so they can get an idea of really what the job is all about. So again, it really gives the folks watching the video, you can give them a true sense and feel of the environment that they're going to be in, as opposed to just being in, say, a posed office or standing in front of a blue screen or whatever the case may be. You can actually bring that entire image to life with the images you can get in your background. I think if anyone was really out there looking for a video company, looking to help them out, and whether new or very experienced in the field, either way, I would highly recommend Allied Video Services, no question about it. Again, we've developed a long-term 6-year relationship, and the work just continues to get better with every single video that we shoot.
So, many of you are thinking, this sounds good. So, what's the next step? Well, the next step is simple. Just call our office and talk with one of our producers. The consultation and estimate are free. Let us work with you to design a custom solution that can take your company to the next level. Now, in this session, I've given you information about my company, and of course, it's been positive. In our last session, I'm going to just let our customers share their experiences with you. Each started with a unique situation, a targeted audience, and high expectations. I think you will appreciate their feedback. Until next time, this is Rory Graham for Allied Video Services. See you then.